Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 263. If we start with the square, looks like we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 6, 7 here, so 5, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. A 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row, looks like we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be there. Don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, then, we're missing 2, 3, and 6, and our 6 can't be there or there, so it has to be here. And that means we can get rid of these 6s, and our 6 for this column now has to be here. And that 6 comes over here, makes this our 5, 6. And that 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this box now, looks like we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, and 5 and 7 here. So this is our 4. And again, that 5 and 7 means this is our 1. This 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help. 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 there. So 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. The 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. And so to finish out this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 there. So this is our 9, 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.